Nature. With the technological evolution, we have unfortunately traded our connection with Mother Gaia. We have entered a process where the telephone, the television, the machines of the previous year seem old and no longer working, thinking we have to buy the latest version. Take a forest as an example. The revolution remains on the same source. They regenerate the cells, go through periods where they have to lose their leaves, but then being reborn, day after day in spring. A continuous cycle of life and death. I personally have learned a lot from nature. The simple thoughtless walking between pines and willows. The simple breathing in and out of fresh air. The simple listening to the melodies created by the flora and fauna. All is in perfect harmony. We humans have the luck to experience and observe all this beauty. A place where we can go to cry in solidarity. A place where we can play with our children. A place where magic exists. A place where we are in the present moment. Nature is everything. It gives us life in the form of oxygen. It gives us beauty in the form of little pathways, woods, forests, trees full of strength. It gives us all this and many things more without asking for any price. The only thing that it's asked of us to do is to respect this sacred world without leaving one trace of our human creation. When you go in nature, breathe in from the nose for 3 seconds, maintain the breath for 2, and slowly exhale until your body tells you to start the process again. While you do the simple breathing exercise, walk slowly and observe everything around you. If you find trash, pick it up and throw it away in the next bin. Let go of all your thoughts. Be one with yourself and Mother Gaia. Find harmony within yourself by asking for help from the masters of nature.